jungle.
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is Angelo, BSIS student. Yan. I see myself as a IS professional because IS professional is a focuses on how technology support decision making and business processes and organizational goals. So ayun, as a IS talaga is very challenging and yan, I see myself as a part of the system that I need to explore to improve and develop my skills as a IS professionals.